I'm trying to charge up my drone because we're supposed to be getting some snow here in Houston, and it's only at 4%. So let me go show you guys what I did with the swimming pool pipes, because it's all new to me, but let me get these batteries charging first. Bunch of trash in here. Gotta get this thing ready. Alright, so I cleaned out the 2 filters, the 2 baskets. I gotta get this thing ready. I gotta take the robot out of the water and get this ready for this freeze. When it does freeze, I gotta let the pump run all night, pretty much. Keep the water going. Shit. 55 degrees. And that water's fucking cold. Alright, so pretty much what I did is I covered up the whole piping system of the pool, and I took out the robot, which is in here, because that doesn't have to be in the water or we have a freeze. If anybody knows, I'm going to put a picture up here because it's got 2 valves that I guess are supposed to be open, and I tried calling Leslie's pool. I talked to Patty, and I know one of them on top is for the skimmer, which I've kind of figured out, but the other one I wasn't too sure what it was about, and it was closed. I went to Leslie's pool. They didn't have any of that pool antifreeze that they say you can put in the skimmer, so that way the skimmer, if it freezes, it won't crack on you. The pool is completely covered with a moving blanket. It's covered with another blanket on top, and then I put this tarp up on top of it. Hopefully everything's gonna be okay. Man, I haven't even jumped into the pool since we moved into the house, and now we got this damn freeze. So it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Covered up my pipes. And by the way, if I haven't said it before, it is Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's. You know you gotta have a beer. In case there's a freeze, you gotta stay inside. You gotta have the beer. So far we're good. What's it look like?
I don't know, but you can hear it just falling.
Really? Holy shit, look at that.
It'll be out there too long.
Holy crap. Ice. We're not used to that kind of shit here.
Nope. Not at all. Should I turn off the little light over there? Or just leave it on? What? You want to go outside and play in the snow?
Not yet.
Tomorrow morning.
Maybe tomorrow morning, not right now.
It's going to be really cold tomorrow morning.
2 days stuck in the house with them. 2 females. What the fuck am I gonna do? I get to use my
I
my snow boots or whatever.
know. Yeah.
That's the ones that I used last time in Colorado, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, next week we'll use you again, okay? We gotta stand right here. Great. There we go. One more time. Oh yeah, hell yeah. It is cold. Yeah, 68 degrees. I got the AC at 68. I mean the AC. The heater.
Oh, the AC?
No, I got the heater.
Oh.
I don't know why I said AC. It's cold enough as it is outside. Mom, I sent her the picture.
Yeah.
She said, "You're not in Colorado yet, you silly people." That looks fucking cool outside.
You ready for Estes?
Hell yeah, I'm ready. Hell no. Come on, let's go.
No, it's too cold for him. Come here, Jax, come here. Come here, Jax. Come here, baby. You ain't gonna be able to potty train.
No, he's not. Huh?